Okay, good evening students. Today we will practice algebra. Okay. The given question is x is equal to and y is equal to 4. Then x power x by y into y power x by y is what? Question is x power x by y into y power x by is what? 4 options are given. So let us do this question. Okay. What is given? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Then x power x by y into y power x by is what? So how to solve this equation? Simply substitute these values in this equation. So what is x? 2. What is y? 4. So 2 by 2 whole power 2 by 4 into 4 2 by 4. X is 2, y is 4. X is 2, y is 4. So cancel this. Okay. Then what is the final answer? 2 power 1 by 2 into 4 power 1 by 2. 4 power 1 by 2 is nothing but 4 power 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 4 power 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of 4 is equal to 2. 2 power 1. Another way is writing this equation, writing this value 2. What is for 2 square? Whole power 1 by 2. 2 square whole power 1 by 2 means what? 2 will be cancelled. So 2 will be remain. So what is the final numerical? 2 power 1 by 2 into 2 power 1. That means what? Bases are equal. So 2 power 1 by 2 into 2 power 1. What is this? 2 power. These will be added, right? These will be added. So 2 power 1 by 2 plus 1. That means what? 2 power 3 by 2. What is the answer? 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power 3 by 2 is the answer. So option D is the answer, right? Option D. Okay. So next question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of square root of x power a into x power b into x power c is what? So directly see a plus b plus c is equal to 0 is given. X power a into x power b into x power c. What is this? These bases are equal. So power should be added. X power a into x power b into x power c. X power a plus b plus c. What is a plus b plus c? 1. Sorry, 0. So x power 0. X power 0 is what? 1. Square root of 1 is what? 1. The question given is a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then square root of x power a into x power b into x power c is what? So how to solve this? First of all, what is x power a into x power b into x power c? Bases are equal, so power should be added. So what is these value? This thing becomes square root of x power a plus b plus c, right? What is x power a plus b plus c? X power a plus b plus c is what? A plus b plus c is 0. X power 0. X power 0 means 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Directly option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. 1 is the answer. Going to the next question. He has given 3 power x is equal to 6 by 6 1. Then 3 power x minus 3 is equal to what? Let us solve this equation. He has given these options. Okay. So let us see this question. What the question given is 3 power x is equal to 6 by 6 1. Then what is 3 power x minus 3? How to solve this? 3 power x minus 3 as given. 3 power x minus 3 means what? Powers are subtracting. So powers are subtracting means what? 3 power x minus 3 will be 3 power x by 3. 3 power x by 3 power 3. 3 power x by 3 power 3 is nothing but 3 power x minus 3. So what is 3 power x? 6 by 6 1 by 3 power 3 means what? 27. So this is if you see this is a longer question. This is a very big numbers are given. So very big numbers are given. So how to directly solve this? Go for the units place. It is 7. There is a 7, right? So here is 1. how to divide 1 by 7? So 7 3s 21. There is no other way. 7 3s 21. 7 3s 21 means what? There is no other way. It should be 7 3s. 7 3s. It should be 7 3s. So answer should ends with 3. Okay? Answer should ends with 3. There is no other way, right? How to divide these 1 by 7? This is units place. In units place there is 1, right? So 7 3 is 21. So the option also should be ended with 3. So the answer should be ended with 3. What are the options? 81, 243, 729, 27. What is the option which is ending with 3? 243. So directly answer is 3. There is a big number division. So we have to go for the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Units place. So 6561 by 343 is what? 6561 by 27. 7 3 is 21. There is no other way. 3 should be 3 into 7 should be 21. That means what? 1 should be 21. So directly answer is 243. Going to the next question. The question given is 5 power 0 plus 6 power 0 into 2 power 0 minus 7 power 0. It is a bacha question here. Directly 5 power 0 is 1. 6 power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Into 2 power 0 is 1. So 2 into 1. This is multiplication, right? According to the BODMAS rule, you have to multiply first. So 2 into 1, 2. What is 7 power 0? 1. 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. So the answer should be 1. Option number D. Going to the next question. What is question given? A minus 1 into a square minus 2a plus 1. Simply, a square minus 2a plus 1 is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. If you clearly see, it is a square. It is 1 square. It is what? Minus 2 into a into b. What? Minus 2 into a into b. What is 2 into a into 1? So what is 2ab? 2 into a minus 2a. So the answer should be a minus 1 into a minus 1 whole square. That means what? A minus 1 into a minus 1 whole square means a power 3. So B is the answer. The question given is a minus 1 into a square minus 2a plus 1. So how to solve this? This is resembling like a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you clearly see this, a square minus 2ab plus b square. How? A square is a, 1 square is b. So b square means 1 square. 1 square plus 2. So 1 square, a square. 2ab is what? 2ab part minus 2 into a into b. B is what? 1. So a is, so directly if you see, a is a, b is 1. So this is 2ab part. 2ab part is what? This is 2ab part. Okay? If you clearly see this. So a square minus 2a into 1 plus 1 square. What is this? This is a minus 1 whole square, right? So a minus 1 whole square into remaining one is a minus 1. A minus 1 into a minus 1 whole square is what? A minus 1 whole cube. Okay? Going to the next question. He is given if y plus 1 by 2y is equal to 4, then y square plus 1 by 4y square is what? He has given y plus 1 by 2y is equal to 4. Then y square plus 1 by 4y square is what? Clearly see, this is square. So y plus 1 by 2y should be squared. So if you square both sides, y plus 1 by 2y whole square is equal to 4 square. This is the idea. Let us put this idea on the board. Okay, the given question is y plus 1 by 2y is equal to 4. Then what is y square plus 1 by 4y square? So we have to square both sides. We have to square on both sides. Let us see this. Y plus 1 by 2y whole square is equal to y square plus a plus b whole square formula, right? Y square plus 1 by 4y square plus 2 into a means what? Y into 1 by 2y. This is b part. Let us assume that this is a, this is b. Okay? Then this is the final equation. Y square plus 1 by 4y square plus 2y into 1. Y will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled. So what is the remaining? This is y square plus 1 by 4 square. We require this, right? We require this. So we require this plus 1. So what is y plus 1 by 2y? This is 2 square, right? 4 square, right? What is remaining here? This is required. This is plus 1, right? So this is plus 1. So we require this one. So this plus 1 will be subtracted from this. 4 square minus 1 is equal to y square plus 1 by 4y square. That is what? 16 minus 1 is equal to 15 is equal to y square plus 1 by 4y square. 15 is the answer. What is the given question? The 0 of 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is meant by 0? 0 is nothing but a solution to the equation. 0, solution, and root are the solution to the equation. We can call it like 0, solution, root. Okay. Root solution means what? The value which satisfies this x. 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. The value 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 0 means what? It should be equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Solution root 0 is same. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. If we solve this, 2x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Directly C is the option. Let us see this question. 496 into 492 is equal to x square minus 4. These are big numbers, right? We can solve simply. X square 4 minus 4 is here, right? A square, it is resembling like a square minus b square, right? That means what? X square minus 4 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 4. X plus 2 into x minus 4. So x plus 2 into x minus 4. That means what? If you add plus 2 the given plus 2 to the given number, plus 2 to the given number, plus 2 to the given number means plus 2 to the x, plus 2 to the given number, it should be 496. If you subtract 2 from that number, it should be 492. Let us check. There is one number, right? 494. 494 plus 2 is what? 496. 494 minus 2 is what? 494 plus 2 is 496. 494 minus 2 is what? 492. Directly option 494. Given question is what? 496 into 492 is equal to x square minus 4. What is the value of x he is asking? Okay. So seeing these numbers, these are very bigger number. So directly there is a hint for us. X square minus 4 is what? It is resembling like what? A square minus b square, right? A square minus b square means x square minus 2 square. That means what? X plus 2 into x minus 2 is 496 into 492. That means what? If we add plus 2 to the x, it should be 496. If we add minus 2 to this, it should be 492. There is a option that is 494. If we add plus 2 to this number, 496 will come. If we add minus 2 to this number, 492 will come. So the answer is 494. Let us see this question. 46 into 46 plus 54 into 54 into 2 into 46 into 54 is equal to 1. Seeing this question, these are very bigger numbers, right? So how to solve this? This is very simple here. 46 into 46 means what? 46 square. 54 into 54 means 54 square. 2 into 46 into 54 is 2 into AB, right? 2 into 46 into 54. This is A square. This is resembling like A square plus B square plus 2AB. That means what? 46 plus 54 whole square. 46 plus 54 means what? 100. 100 whole square means what? This is 100 whole square. 100 whole square means what? How to square 100? If we have two numbers, it will be 4. In square, the number will be doubled for zeros. So, answer will be 1000. 1000. The question given is 46 into 46 plus 53 into 53 plus 2 into 46 into 50. Sorry. Question given is 46, 54, right? 46, 54. Sorry, 46, 54. So it is resembling like what? A square, right? A square plus B square plus 2AB. What is A here? What is A here? 46. What is A here? 46. What is B here? 54. What is this A square plus B square plus 2AB? A plus B whole square, right? So directly A plus B whole square. Directly what is A? 46 plus 54 whole square. 46 plus 54 means what? 100, right? 46 plus 54 is 100. 100 square means what? 100 square means there are two zeros, so we will get double. We will get double for the zeros in square. So 4 zeros will come. That means what? Answer is 10,000. Going to the next question. The perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 80A minus 3B and breadth is 5A minus 6B. Today we started the mensuration, right? What is the perimeter for rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So L is 8A minus 3B. B is 5A minus 6B. Directly what is L plus B? 8A plus 5A, 13A. Minus 3A minus 6B, minus 19B. Into 2 is what? 2 into 13A, 26A. Minus 9B into 2 is what? Minus 18B. Directly answer is 26A minus 18B.